In this video, we're going to work on interpreting a bar chart. And in this case, we have a double bar chart. So if we have a problem like this that says, for a class project, each student voted for their favorite pet. Third and fourth graders participated in the vote. So here we could see on the y-axis we have the number of students. On the x-axis we have the different types of pets. So cats, birds, and dogs. And the name of this chart is called Favorite Pet. So the colors show the blue are the third graders and the purple are the fourth graders. So for example, for cats, these are the responses for the third grade. These are the responses for the fourth grade for cats. Then it's the same for birds. These are the responses for third grade. These are the responses for fourth grade. So how many students chose dogs as their favorite pet? So that's the question, okay? So the first step is to find the two bars for the dogs. And like I explained, one bar is for the third graders, the blue one, and the other is for fourth graders. So let's look at the bars. So these are the two bars for dogs, okay? Then the next step is to read the numbers for both bars on the left. So these are the two bars that we're talking about, and then you go to the left to read the numbers. So 80 third graders and 90 fourth graders chose dogs as their favorite pet. So you add those two numbers together. So 80 for the third graders, 90 for the fourth graders equals 170. And the total is 170. So 170 students chose dogs as a favorite pet. And that's how you do a double bar graph. And it's not very complicated. And don't worry if you need an extra explanation. You could just rewatch the video. And if you need other resources, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this. Also, you can download the ebook and you can follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. And don't worry, anyone can do math.